Look at this. Stressed out, drowning in credit card debt. Sound familiar? Now look at this. Confident, profitable, building real wealth. Same guy. The difference isn't luck. It's understanding a secret the rich use every day. Hi, I'm James. I spent the last 6 weeks researching how debt actually works. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to stop being the slave and start being the master. First, we need to talk about bad debt, the chain around your neck. Most people use debt to buy things that lose value, like this TV. The wealthy use debt to acquire assets that create income. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which side to choose. Let's dive in. A credit card isn't free money. If you only pay the minimum, it's a ticking time bomb. You buy a brand new car on a loan, and the second you drive it off the lot, boom, you lose 20% of its value. That's bad debt. You are borrowing money to buy things that go down in value. And thanks to compound interest, that small balance quickly turns into an unstoppable avalanche. Every single month, a huge chunk of your hard-earned income goes straight to the bank as interest payments. It steals your peace of mind and keeps you awake at night. You get stuck in a trap, working harder but getting poorer. It's a hamster wheel designed to enrich the system, not you. But how do we stop it? It's time to cut the chain and switch sides. Now let's look at good debt, the ultimate Wall Street secret. Rich people don't fear debt. They use it as a tool, as financial leverage. Let's say you borrow money from a bank at a 5% interest rate. But instead of buying a TV, you buy an asset, like real estate, that pays you 10% a year. The asset generates cash flow. You pay the bank back their 5%, and you keep the remaining 5% as pure profit. This is called using OPM, other people's money. You don't even need your own savings to get rich. The debt acts as a lever. You buy the asset with the bank's money, the asset pays off the loan, and you get the passive income. You literally force the money to work for you.
Let's summarize. You have a choice between two doors. Bad debt takes money out of your pocket. Good debt puts money into your pocket. If you want to escape the rat race, your first step is to aggressively destroy all high-interest consumer debt. Your second step is to educate yourself on how to acquire assets and use leverage. It won't happen overnight, but this is the mathematical law of wealth creation. The system is designed to take your money. It's time you learn how to use the system. If you learned something valuable today and want to build real wealth, hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments, are you dealing with good debt or bad debt right now? Start building your portfolio today. I'm James. I'll see you in the next video.